Title: Fun at the Hill Station. Once upon a time, in a small town named Greenview, summer vacation had arrived with the promise of adventure. Clara, an inquisitive young girl, was ready for fun at her favorite hill station, Whispering Pines. Scene 1, the packing party. Clara's room was a whirlwind of colors. Clothes, books, and toys were strewn about as Clara tried to pack everything she deemed essential. Her little brother Max, with his mischievous grin, was busy sneaking toys into the suitcase. "You'll never pack enough if you're this messy," teased Mom. Scene 2, the long drive. The family car was filled with laughter and games as Dad drove them through winding roads. They played I Spy and counted red cars, while splotches of sunlight danced across Clara's face as she imagined what thrilling adventures lay ahead. Scene 3, arrival at Whispering Pines. The sun was setting as they arrived at their cabin in Whispering Pines. The air was fresh and cool, much different from hot and sweaty Greenview. Clara and Max rushed to explore the nearby forest, spotting rabbits and colorful birds that seemed to welcome them. Scene 4, the forest expedition. The next day, armed with Mom's homemade sandwiches, Clara led the expedition through the dense forest. Tall trees and rustling leaves whispered secrets. Max found a trail of ants marching away with crumbs, as Clara discovered a sparkling stream where they skipped pebbles. Scene 5, campfire night. That evening, Dad built a crackling campfire. Cozy warmth surrounded them as stars twinkled above. Clara listened in awe as Dad shared stories of magic and enchanted creatures, while Max toasted marshmallows to a perfect golden crisp. Scene 6, the adventure surprise. On the final day, Dad had a surprise. "We're going to explore a hidden cave," he announced. Clara was thrilled. The cave was dark and echoed, but the family discovered glittering crystals and a tiny waterfall inside. Clara's imagination ran wild in this hidden world. Scene 7, departure. As the vacation came to an end, Clara sat by the cabin window, reflecting on all the unforgettable moments. A handcrafted bracelet from their adventures adorned her wrist, a reminder of the fun they'd had. "We'll be back," she said with a smile, as they drove away from Whispering Pines with memories to cherish forever.